Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to share hotspot from phone to phone. Here I have one phone called Moto G04. From this phone, I would like to share hotspot to another phone Vivo V21e. This is Vivo V21e. Okay, so let's learn how to do it. First of all, in your primary phone, that is Moto G04, go to settings, then go to network and internet and click on hotspot and tethering and turn on Wi-Fi hotspot button here, and here click over Wi-Fi hotspot, and here just click on hotspot name and click on this QR code and verify with your pattern lock. This is the QR code. Now you can easily share this QR code to another device. So bring another device, and here I bring this Vivo V21e, and in this device turn on Wi-Fi. And click long press on the Wi-Fi, and here just you can click on the signal you received from your primary phone. This is the primary phone. Hotspot name is here Mingy Mickey Pingy. Okay, this is the hotspot name. If you click over it, it will show this option, password option, to enter it. Okay, and type the password if you know the password. Here password is Jerolina123. Jerolina123, and it's connecting. Yes, it is connected. So in this way you can easily share hotspot from phone to phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.